Namaskaram. We now have Sri Melakaveri Balaji here with us today to do a workshop with us on Mohara and Korepu. Sri Melakaveri Balaji has had training and tutelage in Mridangam under his father Sri Melakaveri K. Krishnamurti, a well-known Mridangam Vidwan. He is an A-grade artist in Mridangam by All India Radio, Madras, and is regularly playing concerts in All India Radio, Madras, Doordarshan Kendra, and has received many awards. He has extensively travelled abroad and performed in concerts in USA, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, London, Australia, Sri Lanka, and New Zealand. He is one of the most sought after musicians today. Over to Sri Melakaveri Balaji.
Thank you. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. The topic is Mohara and Koraipu. First of all, I thank the organization, the Ambalam, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share something I know, and I thank Mr. T.V. Ram Prasad, my good friend, and his wife, Mrs. Indira Kadambi, for this opportunity, and I thank one-on-one who came here to listen to this one. The topic is Mohara and Koraipu. First, I am going to talk about the Koraipu. Mohara first. First, I will play one Mohara. First, I will recite that orally. That's called Konnakol. The Mohara is the climax piece of the solo in a concert by a Mridangam artist, a percussionist. Mainly, the Mridangam will lead the percussion side. The Mridangam will be accompanied by the other percussions like Ganjira, Ghatam, Morsing, Konnakol, Gethuvadyam, and other things in a concert. Konnakol is also an instrument. It's a vocal instrument. So first I will recite a Mohara. This is the usual Mohara, and after that I will explain what is what. Mohara in olden days, Mohara is not an Tamil or Sanskrit word. It's a Urdu word, Mohara. It's a compiling of many things. Is the meaning for that, and also some other meanings are also there. But in our system, we used to call Muktaipu or Ardi, like that. Afterwards, the Mohara, the name came into usage. At Mohara is the climax piece for the Taniyavardhanam. Taniyavardhanam is a solo portion played by a percussionist in a concert. This Mohara will be followed by a Korvai. But I am not going to talk about the Korvai today. The topic is only the Mohara and the Koraipu. Koraipu is another subject. The Koraipu will be played before the Mohara in the Taniyavardhanam. Nowadays the vocalist is also singing some Koraipus while in the Swara Prastaras, in the Kalpana Swaras. the usual Mohara in Aditalam. Aditalam is a Chatusra Tirupati Talam. It's an 8-beat cycle. The Mohara is the usual one. Di thangada takatare kata takataka di thangada takatare kata takadi thangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat talang gudum di thangada takatare kata takataka di thangada takatare kata takadi thangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat talang gudum di thangada takatare kata takataka di thangada takatare kata takadi thangada takatare kata takatalang gudum di thangada takatare kata takatalang gudum di thangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat dim. This is the Mohara usually. The percussionists, the Mridangam players will play in a concert in Aditalam. I will say another Mohara. Di tangada takatare kata takataka di tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat ding di tangada takatare kata takataka di tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat ding di tangada takatare kata takataka di tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat ding di tangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat ding di tangada takatare kata takatalang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat ding talang gudum tat dim tat talang gudum tat dim. This is another Mohara. The difference between these two, first I will explain what is Mohara. Mohara has 6 parts in it, 6 portions. That is the format of Mohara. The first part will have 4 subparts. Just take it as A, B, C, D. In the first part, the A and C should be equal by measurement, and the B and D should be equal. For example, take this Mohara, what I said. Di tangada takatare kitataka is A. Takati tangada takatare kitataka is B. Di tangada takatare kitataka is C, and talangudum, tat talangudum is D. Here, everything is 2 beats. That is A and C are 2 beats and B and D are 2 beats. For Mohara, there are some characteristic strokes to show this is an Mohara for the audience and also for the main singer or instrumentalist, that if you play the tangada takatare kata takataka tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata taka talangudum tat talangudum, if you play talangudum tat talangudum like that, the people will know that he is playing the Mohara. So that is the characteristic stroke for Mohara. So talangudum tat talangudum is also 2 beats. So B and D is 2 beats. The next part, this is the first part, and the second part is the repetition of the first part. The tangada takatare kata takataka tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata talangudum tat talangudum. This is the second part. And then the third part will be A, B, C. B will be the first half's D's half. So the third part's D will be 1 beat. Because here the first part D will be 2 beats. So there it's D will be 1 beat. Like this. The tangada takatare kata takataka tangada takatare kata takadi tangada takatare kata taka talangudum. And then the fourth part will be A and the third part's D. The tangada takatare kata taka talangudum. And then fifth part is the only A. The tangada takatare kata taka. And then the sixth part will be the Ardi. Talangudum tat dim, talangudum tat dim, talangudum tat dim. This will be first part's D's double. That is, first part's D is 2 beats. Then here the 4 beats is the Ardi. Talangudum tat dim, talangudum tat dim, talangudum tat dim. This is the format of a Mohara. In this format only, everything is built. For example, take the Rubatala Mohara. You have to remember the format. There are 6 parts, and then the first part has 4 subparts. The 4 subparts A, B, C, D. A and C should be equal and B and D should be equal, and there is some characteristic strokes like talangudum, 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 like that. And then second part will be the repetition of the first part. The third part will be A, B, C, and the D will be the first part's D's half, and then fourth part will be A and third part's D, and then the fifth part will be A, and then the sixth part is the Ardi, that will be the first part's D's double. This is the format. Now I am saying the Rupakathala usual Mohara. Tat dum tat gun tang gata taka tare gata taka gata taka dum tat gun tang gata taka tare gata taka ta dum tat gun tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dum talang gudum tat dum. Here A is 3 beats, B is 3 beats, C is 3 beats, and D is 3 beats. Tat dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka is A. Taka taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka is B. Tat dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka is C. Talang gudum tat dum talang gudum tat dum. So 3 beats is the D. So I'll say the whole Mohara. Remember the format. Tat dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dum talang gudum tat dum ta dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dum talang gudum tat dum tat dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dum tat dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dum ta dum tat gum tang gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum talang gudum tong talang gudum tong talang gudum ta. The Ardi will be 6 beats because the double of the first part's D, and then talang gudum tat dum is 1.5 beats. That is first part's D's half. That is the third part's D. So this is the format. If you take the Misra Chop Mohara, usual Mohara, you all know the Misra Chop Mohara. Dum gata taka tare gata taka gun tang gata taka tare gata taka dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat talang gudum. Here the A is 1.5 beats, B is 2 beats, C again 1.5, and D is 2. Tang gata taka tare gata taka is 1.5 beats. So the again the same thing. Third part's D will be 1 beat, and then the Ardi will be 4 beats. Dum gata taka tare gata taka gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat talang gudum dum gata taka tare gata taka gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat talang gudum dum gata taka tare gata taka gum tang gata taka tare gata taka dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum dum gata taka tare gata taka talang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat dim talang gudum tat dim. So if you take the Kanta Chapu Mohara, usually in concert the 4 talas, the Adi, Rupakam, Misra Chapu and Kanda Chapu. We will get Tanyavardhanams around these talams only, in different edupus maybe, according to the Kirtana and Sahityam. So, the Kanda Chapu Mohara in the same format, I'll say this Mohara. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, tit tangada takataka takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum, tattalangudum. Here A is 3 beats, B is 2, again C is 3, and then D is 2. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, tit tangada takataka takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum, tattalangudum. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, tit tangada takataka takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum, tattalangudum. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, tit tangada takataka takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum. Takkadadum, takkadadum, tatti takkadadum, talangudum, tatdum, talangudum, tatdum, talangudum, tatdum. Again the Ardi will be 4 beats. So if you take any Mohara, Saprachina Mohara will be in this format. The other Mohara, I said in the beginning, that Mohara is not in this format, but it's a very old Mohara. The Ardi, the 6th part, is a different one. Tangadaka. It's called Lakshana Mohara. Many great players in yesterday's they played this Mohara. We have Lakshanam and Lakshyam both in our music. Lakshyam is grammar, Lakshanam is aesthetics. So, this Mohara comes under the Lakshana category. Di tangada takataka di tangada takataka di tangada takataka talangudum that ding talangudum that ding di tang. Here the D will be 3.5 beats. As per the format, the Aridi should be 7 beats. But here the Aridi is not 7 beats. It's more than 7 beats. It is around 15.5 beats. Di tangada takataka di tangada takataka di tangada takataka talangudum that ding talangudum that ding di tangada takataka di tangada takataka di tangada takataka talangudum that ding talangudum that ding di tangada takataka di tangada takataka di tangada takataka talangudum that ding di tangada takataka talangudum that ding di tangada takataka talangudum that ding talangudum that ding talangudum that dim talangudum that ding talangudum that ding talangudum that dim talangudum that dim talangudum that dim talangudum that dim. So it is not in the format, but this was played by great maestros in a concert. So this is also a Mohara, but it's not comes under the format. So I will give you some other examples. The Mohara, I did some Moharas with this format. For example, one Mohara in Aditalam. I did some Moharas and the same stroke will be played in the Korvai also. The continuation of Mohara will be the Korvai. With that same stroke, I used to play the Korvai. For example, this Mohara, this is the first part. Here, is A. The is B. Is C. Talangudum is D. So 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2. A and C will be 6 beats and B and D will be 2 beats. I will say the Korvai also along with this Mohara. So this is the Mohara. The same stroke will be used in the Korvai. That is the way the setup. The example, the other example, the Mohara. This is another Mohara. That is, here the A is 2.5 beats. The B is 1.5 beats. Again, the C is 2.5 beats and D is 1.5 beats. Format is the same. This is the Aridi will be 3 beats. Because the D will be 1.5 beats. So the third part's D will be how many beats? Huh? 1.5 beats, half. 3/4 the beat. 3 points.